Okay, we have this Kia Solus. We're dealing with another wheel bearing problem. Alright, before you do a wheel bearing, do this. Put your hand on the tire and move the hand. First on the inside and then on the outside. If you feel bumps, okay, that's the noise that you think is a wheel bearing, and it's not a wheel bearing, it's the tire. So before you do the wheel bearing, make sure your tires, they are perfect round. If one of the tires, it has bumps on it, that's gonna be your noise and it's not the wheel bearing. Make sure you do the tire first. I'm gonna show you this one. As you can see, this tire, one is dark, one is light, one is dark, one is light. Sometimes you can see, I don't think you can see in this picture, but the inside of this tire, it has bumps on the inside. This one's big, this one's small, this one big, this one small. So if you move your hand like this, you can feel a lot of bumps on the inside. So actually on the outside too, a little bit. The tire is not perfect round. If you move the tire, keep your hand on it. If you don't feel like this is smooth, do not do the wheel bearing. You'll be wasting your money. Replace your tire. This tire, I don't think it's not even too old. It might have bad shocks. Yeah, this tire is actually 2021. So I'm gonna say, because the meat that it has, I don't really like this type of tires anyway. I like to have tires with perfect even shape. I don't like this kind of shapes. I think it's stupid why they doing this, but it's not even. Okay, make sure your tire is even before you do wheel bearings. Okay, so that's what we have. And yep, we find the problem. This thing need a shock. That's why these tires, these shocks, they going bad. This rear shock is already leaking oil. So we're gonna have to do the tire, and if the customer don't want to do another tire in the next 6 months, I'm gonna tell him to do the shocks. If he don't want to do the shocks, it's up to him. I just tell him what he should do with this. That's bad. So bad shocks give you bad tires. All right, good luck.